Okay, so this is an opening of a painting we had done again from firstartgallery.com. And we're excited about this. This is another William Turner, who is our favorite artist. If I can open it up here. And we'll see what this looks like. Okay, open it. It's got tape on it. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is very nice. I really like the colors of this. Got nice boats, and it's actually very nice. At least as good as the other ones we have. I just love it. Actually, it's very nice. Can you see it? Terrific. It's wonderful.
I like the color.
Really nice colors, isn't it? Really great. So another wonderful piece of art from firstartgallery.com.